You've probably seen the videos promising that anyone can start a faceless YouTube channel and make money. But here's the truth. Most new creators are making the same mistakes that almost guarantee failure. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 biggest mistakes faceless YouTube creators are making in 2025, and exactly what to do instead. If you're serious about growing your channel and your income, you can't afford to miss this. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong niche. The first mistake? Picking a niche just because it's popular. Trends like general motivation, celebrity gossip, or gaming get millions of views for big channels, but for beginners, they're a trap. These niches are oversaturated, require high production quality, and have strong competition with massive budgets. What to do instead? Choose a profitable micro niche with an angle you can own. If you don't know where to start, I recently made a video breaking down the 5 best faceless YouTube niches in 2025. I'll link that at the end so you can watch it next. Mistake number 2, relying only on YouTube ads. If your only plan to make money is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're going to be waiting for months, maybe years. What to do instead? Set up affiliate offers or digital products from day one. This means even if you have just 50 views, you can still earn. For example, I use insert affiliate example you want to promote. And it's one of the easiest ways to start generating income before YouTube pays you a single cent. Mistake number 3. Copying viral videos word for word without adding anything new. When YouTube sees your content is just a weaker version of something else, it won't push it out to viewers. What to do instead? Study what's working, then put your own spin on it. That could be combining 2 popular topics, adding faster pacing, or targeting a slightly different audience. The goal is to be inspired, not to duplicate. Quick recap. So let's recap. 1. Pick a niche you can own, not one where you'll get buried. 2. Monetize before you're monetized with affiliate links or products. 3. Add value instead of copying content. Now that you know what to avoid, let me show you exactly what works. Click here to watch my breakdown of the 5 faceless YouTube niches that actually make money in 2025. It's the perfect next step for building your channel the right way. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.